What is the red wire on a thermostat wire? And what is the red wire used for an HVAC thermostat? And what would be the difference between the red wire, the blue wire, the green wire, etc., etc.? The answer to the question is there really is no difference. They all carry the same voltage. Say this would be maybe an 8-strand wire encased in one jacket. I don't know what nomenclature they use. Um, Not Romex, but something similar. But anyway, so one may ask, what difference are the wires? And there are no difference per se. Each wire can carry the voltage or the certain amount of voltage, and each wire is the same gauge. So why do we have a different colors? The colors signify different uses within the thermostat. They're primarily, in my opinion, used for memory. This would be, say, for instance, the red has one function, the blue has one function, the green has one function, and they're color coded accordingly. So, what is the red? The red is a 24-volt incoming voltage supplied to the thermostat. Well, where does the red wire or the red voltage come from? The red voltage actually comes from the secondary side of the transformer. Again, the secondary side, not the primary side. The primary side is high voltage. The secondary side steps the voltage down into low voltage, which hence we can use this 18 to 22 gauge thermostat wire. So the red wire would feed the 24 volts incoming to the thermostat to help power up the thermostat. In the next video, we will discuss what the next wire is in the next video, etc. But again, the red wire originates from the secondary side of the transformer and is used to allow 24 volts to your transformer and to use the 24 volts wherever needed accordingly. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and please subscribe.